felt like I looked like an adequately decent human being, and then I turned the camera on and I was like, oh my god, I look like someone beat me up. But that's alright, we'll deal. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have had the insane urge to bake this week. Could be because I've been watching a lot of Bake Off, could be because I'm craving sugar, I don't know. Having withdrawals since Halloween. So I'm making a cup of tea and I'm gonna make some jam drops. I'll leave the link to the recipe that I'm using below, and I'm gonna just scribble cozy things today. I'm gonna use gouache and kind of paint in reverse to what I usually do. And I just want a cozy fun day. So come have a cozy day with me, even though it's like 80 degrees outside, or 30 degrees, whatever Celsius relates to in that sense. Even though it's hot, I want a cozy, calm day. So let's have a cozy, calm day, shall we?
My glass half full. We don't see the line. Feeling you.
Hi. You're getting credited as the cameraman. Hi, cameraman. Run away, cameraman! You even look like a cameraman with what you're wearing.
That's how people hold cameras.
That's it.
So stop your